Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I guess I forgot to shoot a video of my haul that I did from the scrapbooking creating keepsakes convention that was held here in Mesa a few weekends ago. So I'm here to show you what I got, and really I made a list this time and pretty much stuck to it. Yeah, kind of, but I did get some of the staples that I needed because I was running out of these items, and I wanted to support our crafting vendors who come to Arizona and visit for these conventions. So here we go. First off, I did need a refill of the art glitter glue, and I buy the bigger bottles and then just refill the smaller bottles. You can tell this one is all bossed up already. So that was one of the things I needed. I also needed a refill on some score tape. And if you remember the last time I showed I had this, I bought this from scrapbook.com, and I'm just down to this much only. So I got a refill and a different size, as well as a 1/4 inch. So this was a 2-inch and this was a 1/4 inch. They had the outlet there, and I got some of the bigger eyelets because they're easier to dangle stuff off of. I just like the bigger ones better. So I got a few of those. Sorry for the glare. At convention, Be Creative had Totally Tiffany bags that they were selling, and they were $9.99 each for certain ones, probably this row, and then they were $12.99 each, I think, for this bottom row. I think that's how it went. I could be wrong, but in any case, I got, if you got 4 $9.99s, you got 1 free. So I got 4 of them. I got the Sue bag, the Dawn bag, the Teresa bag, and the Gail bag. And then I got a Sue bag for free. So I got some of those storage organization, and it'll help me contain my things when I go to crop. I also, from Craft Fancy, got one of these foam tape. What is this? 1/16 inch thickness, and there's 36 yards. So this, it probably won't last me long, but it should last me a little while. But that I got. I think I got these from Craft Fancy as well. I got a trumpet die for my daughter. She plays the trumpet in her band. I also got this like layering hibiscus die that I want to play with. I've also got this stitched. It's called Essential Rectangles by Spellbinders, but it's dotted. And then they have rectangle cutouts as well. I also got this from Color Play, and these were like, I don't know, they were cheap, that's why I got it. Maybe $8. But I have the stamp set already for this, so I thought the dies would come in handy. I got this free because I bought some things from Paper Wizard. I bought some of these for graduation for my daughter to do some pages. So she graduates this year. So this is the graduate, homecoming, band, and she plays the trumpet, so that was perfect. And then class of 2022. So, and then I ended up getting that free. These I got from Color Play as well as this. And they're just some little ephemera packs. And this is like the bee one. What is it called? Sweet as honey. And those are the items that are in the ephemera pack. You get 26 pieces. And then birthday party, Tula's birthday party. Here's all the items. I think it's 26 pieces as well. The graduate or grad day. And you get all of these pieces. Remembrance, and you get all of these pieces, 29 of them. And then this last ephemera pack, the daily grind, it has coffee and stuff. That's why I liked it. So I got those ephemera packs. I think I might have got these from Paper Wizards as well, and these are more ephemera packs. And odds and ends, lots of love, their Doodlebug collection. There's 136 pieces. And then Chit Chat by Doodlebug, it's made with love. And these are probably from Valentine's, but they're Doodlebugs. You can use them all year long. And then this cute and crafty one. So of course there's crafty die cuts. And then this another cute and crafty one. This one is Chit Chat. That one was odds and ends. And this one has a lot of sentiments. And then the last one, this odds and ends made with love. And I got I got what? Odds and ends, lots of love. Made with love. There. The Chit Chat and the odds and ends. So fun. So I got those. I also picked up this die. I don't remember where I got it from, but it is this cute look. It looks like kawaii cactus. I thought they were cute. This was an impulse buy, which I really didn't need, but I've got it. And these are more things I got from the outlet. Just some rhinestone jewels, and then some of these that are like Mickey theme, Disney theme. So those. I got some stencils as well. And I can't remember where I got the stencils from. But those are the different ones I got. So I'm excited to play with those. I also got some pieces of the Alice's Tea Party from Graphic 45. I got this sticker sheet. And then I got this journaling and ephemera cards. There's 32 of them in here. Here's what they all look like. Oops. Alice. And then I got the ephemera assortment, and there's 44 pieces of this. And so I'm gonna hoard this for a little while, as with any of my Disney stuff. So I got that. Oh, and then in Photo Play I got the paper packs to match the ephemera packs I showed you earlier. So I should end up with a few layouts here that I can start doing. I think I got this one free for spending certain amount of money. Laugh or Cry Quarantine Life Outtakers. So, and this was the only paper I got because I was trying so hard not to buy paper because I didn't need paper. And as I was standing in line purchasing these is when I remembered, why are you buying the paper? I was excited for the ephemera pack and then I saw the paper matched it, so you know, I had to buy the paper. But so that was my haul from the convention. How fun! I did still needed tape runners. Sometimes I can find a box of them from one of the vendors, and they didn't have anything like that. What else did I need that I was still looking for? Oh, I've been to convention where they've had like silhouette or Cricut mats and those kinds of supplies, but there was none of that. So, and I need new mats. So I might wait our next. Well, in April, I'm not going to be here. I'll be camping. In April, we have a rubber stamping convention coming, and it's not really a convention, it's a show. So it's just to go shop. And then our next convention that I know of here in Mesa will be in September. So I might wait till then, who knows. But I did pretty well with not buying things that I didn't. Well, hold on, I'm fooling. I have a pile of stuff over here as I realize and sit here and look at it. Like, I did buy a lot of stuff that I didn't need. I mean, I have so much stuff here. There's stuff that I needed this kind of stuff, you know, I don't have any of this stuff for my daughter's graduation to do her pages, but like, I have other bling and rhinestones and, you know, it's been a while since I bought craft supplies, so it's okay. Are you the same way? Let me know in the comments below. But I hope you guys are having a crafty day. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Please consider liking and subscribing and joining me on this crafty journey for more videos like these. See here. And until my next video, shakas!